Growing on YouTube can be very hard. And not only can it be hard, but it can also be easy at the same time, depending on the type of person that you are, in a sense. If you are that type of person that likes to get things done, make things happen, or even just that type of person that likes to be able to make sure that everything goes their way, then this platform can be very hard for you to work with, in a sense. That's where we all need to come together as a community and build each other up, help each other out, be there for each other, if you know what I mean. Things are very hard in YouTube, especially when you start to get views or you start to get traction, an audience, a fan base and everything. And then everything just seems to come to a screeching halt. That's where you need to continue doing what you are doing. You cannot just stop right there because that's kind of what the algorithm wants to see. They want to see if you're going to be that type of person to keep pushing through what you are doing, or if you are going to be that person to just call it quits, stop, give up what you're doing, flake out on it. And simply because you see those numbers just drop, or you see everything just stop then and there, that is when you need to realize that it's testing you. Life is testing you. Anything in life that happens that you come to a screeching halt and you are just questioning yourself, you need to be able to continue pushing on, because that is where things start to show themselves and reveal themselves in a successful manner. You'll start to see that success starting to rise and you're going to not even know what really happened. So you just need to remember that when things start to get tough and the growing of your channel, page, or even just your lifestyle and how you do things, you need to continue to push on, because deep down, things are always going to try and stop you. The devil's always going to be there to try and put a pin in you or put a rock in that road so that he can see what you do. But that is where we need to be that bigger, better person, that stronger spirit or soul, in a sense, you could say. And you need to keep on doing what you are doing, because you got this. You just need to start rooting for yourself and saying, I got this. Nothing's going to push me back or nothing's going to hold me down, because I honestly know what's going to happen. And you need to manifest that, in a sense. You need to keep doing what you're doing and never stop what you're doing, because you're doing an amazing job. Another thing about growing with YouTube is you can't let people get to you. A lot of comments and people's opinions on this platform are going to definitely get to you. That's just the thing. That's social media in itself. You need to be able to push past that, ignore it, and be the bigger person and rise above all the negativity that is within your content. And honestly, it's not even a bad thing, because regardless, people are still pushing your content by commenting and interacting. And a lot of people don't understand that. They don't understand that a lot of that negativity is actually positive in a sense also. So always remember that when you come against these things in your content creation journey, whether you're growing on Instagram, Facebook, or whether it's TikTok or YouTube, always remember that you are doing your best, and that's all that matters in this content growth journey. So if you don't mind, please do take and show a little bit of support by smashing the like button and also sharing this to anybody you might think that might need to hear this. And also, don't forget to subscribe and have an amazing, blessed day. Thank you.